Can you relate to this battered lineup? First of all, there's the trailer guy. Then there's the guy that actually looks crazy if he's not on medication. He surely should be, and a lot of them too. Then there's the suave guy that denies he would ever hurt any woman that he ever had on his arm. And then there's the clean-cut guy, who Mama would love to see you bring home.
Brand new shoes, the sun is gonna shine and I just can't lose.
Bring home, but not really once she gets to know him. Ultimately, the best ending for any abuser is behind bars and incarcerate.
And I learned the less I wanna know, my head's